Okay, now let's learn the second method through the cPanel. Okay, I'm logged in my cPanel, and here I can see the WordPress option, get started with WordPress today. Okay, you will have this option as well in your hosting plan. If not, you can always check with your service provider. Now let's click on this icon, get started with WordPress today, and it will open a new page and it will take you to this particular section. Now here you will find the option of install WordPress, and you click install WordPress, and this will ask you, okay, choose the website where do you want to install it. Okay, I've selected my website. This is dfmoffice.com. okay, that will be a root directory. I'm not changing this. Let's put the email address. The blog title I'm going to choose is WP Security Demo number 2. Okay, the admin ID I'm going to choose a different one, SF00. Okay, and you can choose first name, let's call it John, last name C, and press install WordPress. Okay, that's pretty much it. It doesn't provide any further granularity, but this is bare minimum required to install it. Once you fill in information, click install WordPress, close this banner, and here you will see view your credentials. And once you will click on this small icon, it will show you your admin panel, your user ID, and the password it will generate automatically. Okay, make sure you write it down or take a snapshot of this. Okay, so I'm going to copy my user ID and my password. Okay, and this is my panel. Now here I will provide my user ID and the password, and I will say login. Okay, here we go. Our installation is complete. That's how simple it is. Now look, it is asking for 3 updates. Let's have a look what kind of updates asking us to look into. Jetpack, Mojo, and opt-in Monster. Let's select all of them. Actually don't need this one, but let's update the plugins. Okay, let's check, is there anything else that we need to look into? You have the latest version of WordPress. Future security updates will be applied automatically. Okay, and here it is asking me to update the theme. Let's update the theme as well. Alright, let's go back to the dashboard and let's open our website. So WP Security Demo number 2. If I click on the post, I should be able to see my account. So this is what I was talking about. Okay, so we have to protect this. Again, we know how to do it. Let's go back to the dashboard, check all users, and here we can edit it. Let's change the display name to something different. Let's call it Jimmy, and change the display name to Jimmy, and we can update the profile. Let's check the website again, and I think we should be able to okay with this at the moment. Okay, let's check the post. Here you go, Jimmy is appearing, but again, right at the left bottom corner, our ID is there. Okay, so you can install WordPress. Now in this installation, you can see that we haven't done much from the security point of view. We haven't changed our database table name. We haven't changed the salt keys. Okay, as I explained before, I have covered plenty of concepts related to security in my WordPress security course, and I will highly encourage you to take this course and take the full out of it. Okay, I will not be going into the security details in this course, mainly because the WordPress security masterclass course is about 5 hours long, so I won't be able to justify the security concepts here. Okay, so the course is there. What I will do, I will put the discount coupon in the resource section as well for you guys to take and take the leverage. Okay, so now we know how to install the WordPress. Now this is a stage to pick the theme. Okay, I will see you next video.